welcome back. So today we are going on to our fourth set 2 sound. So let's go through some more of our set 1 sounds really quickly and then we can start learning our new sound. So off we go. Brilliant, and now we've warmed up our phonics brains. Let's have a think about the 3 set 2 sounds that we already know. So we've got E, what can you see? We've got A, may I play? And we've got yesterday's sound, what was it? I. Well done, what was the rhyme? Fly high. So I'm going to hold these up in different orders, just say the sound. Are you ready? E, A, I. Let's mix them up again. I, A, E. Well done. You're doing so amazing. Let's look at the new sound for today then. So this is another one we can do an action with, and it is O. And we have an O and a W making this sound, and it's 2 letters, so we're going back down to 2 letters again, which is a digraph, and it's 2 letters making 1 sound, and the sound is O. So my turn, I'll point to me, your turn, I'll point to you. O, 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 O. And the rhyme is blow the snow. And the action that we do with this one in Cherry class is like that. So we go blow the snow as if we're blowing the snow away. So it's O, blow the snow. What's this sound? O. What's the rhyme? Blow the snow. So if I show you this sound, I want this side, I'd like O. If I show you this side, I'd like blow the snow. Are you ready? Blow the snow. Oh, can't see it. Blow the snow. O. Blow the snow. And this one, O. Well done. Let's take a little look then at how we write this sound. So once again, we've got 2 letters. We're not going to take our pens off the paper until we have finished writing the sound. So we will start by doing the O. So up we go, all the way around the orange, and then we go across, down a wing, up a wing, down a wing, up a wing. And we made the O sound. Let's do that again together. Up we go, all the way around the orange, go across, down a wing, up a wing, down a wing, up a wing. And let's write it one more time. Brilliant, well done. And we've written the O sound. Who can remember what the rhyme is for O? Well done, it's the one that has the action, blow the snow. Let's do some reading now then. Have you got your Freddy fingers ready? Are you ready? Brilliant. Let's start with this one. O, low. Read with me. Low. O, low. On your own. Brilliant. And let's do this one. S, n, o. Can you blend that one together on your own? S, n, oh, did my fingers wrong. S, n, o. What's that word? Well done, it's snow. Let's do that together. S-n-o, snow. For the next one, we'll Fred talk it together, and then you're going to blend it on your own. Sh-o. What's that word? Sh-o. Have you got any ideas? Well done. Sh-o, show. And the last one. This time, I'm not going to Fred talk it. I'll point and see if you can do it on your own first. And again. B-l-o. Blow. Well done. You're working really, really hard. Let's nod out our sounds. You know what to do now. Nod in your head. When I push it forward, you say the word. Let's go. Low. Well done. Blow. Well done. Show. Snow. Excellent. Well done. And you know what we're going to do next? We're going to say the words quickly. So repeat after me. Slow. Show. Low. Blow. Snow. And this time it's time for your challenge. I'm going to show you the words without the sound buttons. See if you can keep up. Remember, if you can't keep up, just rewind the video and try again. So off we go. Brilliant. Well done. Give yourself a pat on the back. You've done lots of hard work there. So now we're going to see if we can write some words with the sound in. What's the sound that we've done today? O. What's the rhyme? Blow the snow. Well done. So let's see if we can write the word show first. Let's Fred talk it. Sh-o. Show. Now, some of us get a little bit confused with our sh sound. So if you are a bit confused, find your set one sound mat that you all have and you can find it on there to help you write the sh sound. Okay, so let's write the sh-o, show. Let's write the word show. Sh. O. Show. I'm just going to change that because it looks like I've done a capital S in the sh sound. So we're doing sh and then O. And both of these are digraphs. Both of them have got two letters making one sound. So we need a line and then another line. Okay, time for your challenge. Can you please write the word blow? Fred talk it, blow, and then pinch it out, blow, and now write it, blow. And don't forget your sound buttons, blow. Brilliant, well done. And I'm going to write it on the board, and you can tick or fix it, blow, B-l-o. Blow. B-l-o. Blow. Dot and a dot and a line. Tick or fix it if you got that right. Well done. And the sound that we learnt today was O, and the rhyme is blow the snow. We'll see you soon.